Hi guys! So today we're gonna learn my witch shuffle dance choreography. So originally I'm dancing with the broom. So for learning purposes, just imagine you're holding a broom or just take a stick. It just will be easier that way. But yeah, if you're here and if you're down to learn this choreo, I'm super excited. Tag me in the comments. I'm looking forward to see your video. Or if not, just learn something new for yourself and have fun and challenge yourself. And don't forget that maybe today you cannot do it, but persistence and your desire can conquer it all, and you definitely can do it. So let's go right into it. We're gonna do it with the count. I don't know, it's a little bit windy, but hopefully you can hear me. All right, so we're starting like this. I'm gonna turn around. I always find it more useful to learn when the person is standing back towards you. For the beginning, I'm gonna start facing you because those moves you won't be able to see from behind my back. But then we're gonna turn around. So for the beginning, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is the pause. So you're holding a broom and you're mixing the poison. So you're doing 1, 2, 3, 4. So right, left, right, left, right, left. So as your hands are moving, your hips are moving the same way. Right, left, right, left. So you can add more to your arms to make it look better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're going over your broom to sit on it, and you're looking where you're gonna fly. 6, 7, 8 is the pause. And then on the beat, I don't know if you rode a motorcycle, but sometimes you know how you see in the movies they do this. Boom! So this is what we're gonna do on the count of 1, 7, 8, 1. So with the 1, try to push yourself to go a little bit backwards. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 3 running man starting from the left leg. So turning this around. So now you can see how I do it in real time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. You stay like this. Or you can go here and then go back on the left leg. 5, 6, 7, 8. Very easy. Again. From the broom, boom, 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 boom. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So are you doing this? Right leg stays at the point. This is the point around which you're drawing your shapes. So you're doing 1, 2. This leg stays at the same spot, only left leg changes the position. 2, 3, and you turn. And you jump. 1. Then you do 1. So again, 1. Let's do it a little bit faster. From this. I'll start a little bit in diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and again. Got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 2, 3, and 4. All right. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. A little bit slower. So we got here 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Got it? Okay. And step on your left leg and kick with the right. Here. 1. So really like jump. And 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. All right. Let's go again from here. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2. Knees, switch, running man, kick, slide, back, 1. Now we're turning around ourselves. With one hand I was holding a broom, and with the other we're looking for directions. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Knees and turn, running man, kick, slide, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're doing it around ourselves, 360 degrees. And then we're doing the slides, passing the broom from one hand to another, doing 1 pass, 1 pass, but I leave it in this arm and then I dance the rest. So after turning around, 1, 2, 3, 4, you land like this and you do 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you're standing on your right leg, you're pushing with your left leg, so you're gonna give your weight to the one on your left and push and turn to the left. So you do 1 and 2, 3, running man, and but we stay here, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, okay, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, with a heel, 7 and 8 and. So you do 7 and 8 and. The move is like this, 7 and 8 and. 7 and 8 and. We're jumping on the right leg, kicking the left foot behind, creating a new shape. So we do 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And we're almost by the end. Now we're just doing travel rocking to the right. Then we turn back in a turn and jump, and it's the end. So we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. And that's it. All right, let's do it one more time to the count, and hopefully you got it. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right now I'm gonna put some other videos from this tutorial to the music so you can practice it maybe slowly, maybe I didn't explain it as well as you wanted. If you are lost in some moves, please go back to my other YouTube tutorials where I explain basic moves step by step and some more complicated ones, and also combinations and powerful loops, which helps you be centered. This is more advanced choreography, but I'm sure you can do it. Everyone can do it. Everyone is welcome to try and have a good time. I hope you had fun and practice more, and we'll see each other soon. From my heart to you. Bye.
Benassi.